promise of loving you. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling. Folklore has it told that pirates sail the hard seas, plundering, pillaging, trapping, gathering wherever, whatever would bring them bounty. One of the most ruthless was the bird trapper, Captain Hook Bill Greedy of the HMS Scallywag, who has now crashed onto Skull Rock Island by backing the entire ship into the mysterious Skull Rock. It's been said Skull Rock has strong, mysterious powers, and it's able to turn even the most selfish and greedy pirate in the world into the most knowledgeable and caring. But then, Skull Rock has never met Captain Greedy. Until now, that is.
Oh, Captain. Look what you did. You crashed the ship again. It's because there's a rock in the way, Scrubby. Well, what's the problem? Well, actually, Captain, all your birds escaped. Even your most valuable. What? You better get to work and find her. She's worth a lot of money, and I need her back. Don't find her? I'm making a point out here. Woo! Well, there goes Squabby. Oh, well, that's not very nice. Alright. Alright, well, maybe you guys can help me out. If you see any of our birds, if you can yell the most loud, most piratiest "arr" that you possibly can. So let's practice on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You guys will work. Already what? Oh, good job. You guys already found our first bird. This is George here, and he's a scarlet macaw. Now, scarlet macaws are native to the rainforests of South and Central America. You notice how he's climbing there. He uses his feet and his beak, and that's how they would climb through the rainforest trees. Now, I had a feeling that George would be the first one back because he is so smart. In fact, parents are known to be as smart as a 2-year-old child. So that's pretty smart. What are you doing, George? Where are you going? I wouldn't get into that if I were you. That doesn't look good. Or you could just do what you want. Alright, let's see. It says something here. Pirates beware. What did I tell you? See? That does not sound good at all. It says something here. It's been said Skull Rock has strong and mysterious powers. It's able to turn even the most selfish and greedy pirate into the most knowledgeable and caring pirate. Oh, well, that doesn't sound scary at all. Actually, that could be a really good thing if that works on the captain. I like that noise a lot better, not as scary. Alright, George, let's head on back to the ship. So, what do you say? George, we're leaving. You're supposed to say goodbye. You want to try that again? What do you say? Yeah, he's 32 and that's all he knows. We'll go work on it.
Okay, we still have a few more cargo members. Quite a few more cargo members to recover. Alright, Ducky, whenever you're ready, you can send me our next bird. What? Oh! Ha! I knew there was more around here. Well, what? What is that? What is that, Squammy?
That is Isbo, our red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawks are common throughout North America here. They're easily identified by that red coloring in her tail that you guys will all see as she flies overhead. Also, if you take a look at her eyes, she has prominent eye ridges above them, which will act as a visor. Nice catch, Captain.
Thank you. What? Squabby, I do know something about these birds. Do you know that they have excellent eyesight and can spot a small field mouse up to a mile away?
Really?
And they have strong, powerful feet, and that's what they use to capture and kill their prey.
Really? Wow, good job, Captain. Having a hand for the captain and Isbo. That's pretty good. I think that Kirsten's starting to work on her. She definitely did not know all that about hawks before. Oh, good job. You guys found Ducky with Tahoe, our Swainson's hawk. Now, eagles, owls, and hawks are all known as raptors. They will capture and kill their prey with their powerful feet. Now, hawks are known for eating small mammals, reptiles, and even other birds. And the Swainson's hawk here here is known for their long migration down to Argentina, where along the way they will eat grasshoppers, which is why they are also known as the grasshopper hawk. I'm going to hand for Ducky and Tahoe. Alright,
Look at what I found!
okay.
Some green pigeons!
Those aren't green pigeons, Captain. They're Amazon parrots.
Parrots, pigeons, what's the difference?
Well, there's a lot of difference. Yeah. For one thing, they can talk.
Pigeons talk?
Parrots talk. They can mimic things. Yeah.
I'm not following you. Yeah.
Alright, I will show you that. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Turkey Corp.
Alright, hello, Turkey.
Talking pigeons, who knew?
Captain.
Alright, what's this one's name?
That is Popeye, and he is an Amazon parrot. Yeah. Got it?
Alright, let me ask him a question. Popeye, what do you think of your friend Turkey? Oh, so friendly. This is kind of fun. What else do they do?
Well, they can make animal noises.
Right, let me try one. How about a cat?
She's funny.
She's a character, alright. Love her.
Well, she can make animal noises too.
Alright, let's hear it.
Alright, can you do chicken?
Oh, that's a good chicken.
Yeah, it is.
That's impressive. What else does she do?
Well, she can also do a very ferocious dog.
Yeah. Alright, let me ask these two another question. Are you guys possibly singing birds? Are you singing birds? Yeah.
That's good. Well, they have to warm up first.
Oh, well, yeah. Logically, that makes sense. Okay. Popeye, can you warm up? Warm up. Okay, he's ready.
Oh, that was wonderful. All right, Turkey. You warm up? That was pretty too.
Yeah, that was lovely. All right, Popeye, let's hear that tune. Nice job. That was the theme to the Andy Griffith Show. Good job, Popeye. I loved that show. It was the show I was watching when I mean, it must have been the show you were watching when you crashed the ship, young Swami.
No, I did not
really
crash
shouldn't watch
the
TV
ship.
and drive a pirate ship. I don't get it. But whatever. Could you please get back to work and find our cargo?
Yeah. Can you say goodbye?
Bye. Bye. Say goodbye, Popeye. Bye.
On a hand for our little green buddies, Turkey and Popeye. They are cute little guys. Well, if you take a look up over in this direction, we have our next guest joining us. This is Lautrec, our turkey vulture. Now, turkey vultures are common throughout North and South America. They're easily identified by that long wingspan that you guys will see as soon as he decides to join us out here. You guys have probably seen them flying throughout the area. Very nice. Excellent job, Lautrec. Thank you for joining us. As I was saying, these guys are common throughout the Bay Area here, so you've probably seen them flying around. Now, turkey vultures are known as scavenging birds, so that means they eat things like dead, rotting carcasses. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, these guys are actually